Hello, I'm glad you could join me. In this video, we're going to factor out the greatest common factor for this expression. When I look, I'm going to look at my variables first, which are the letters. They're called variables because the value that they have can vary from problem to problem. I will notice that there is an x in each one of these terms, and that's the only thing that the variables have in common, so I can pull out that x. And then I can notice that 2 would be the greatest common factor of each one of these. 2 is not a very big number, but it is the greatest one these have in common. So I pull out a 2x. What remains if I pull out of the 2x out of the first term is a 9y. Out of the second term is a 4z. Out of the third term is a negative 2yz. And out of the last term is a positive 6. And then to check myself, I'm going to multiply this back to make sure I get the correct answer. And I end up with 18xy plus 8xz minus 4xyz plus 12x, which is what we originally started with. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.